For most of the developers, front-end development is a combination of lot of tasks. In order to finish all your tasks in the given time frame, there are various online resources that can help you in getting your work done efficiently and faster, keeping you ahead of your competition. I'm going to share the best 5 websites that you can use to enhance your overall skills. Let's begin. And the first is W3 Schools. How can we forget the greatest of all time? Undoubtedly the largest web developer site on the internet, W3 Schools is a school for web developers. There are hundreds of free tutorials with thousands of code examples for reference. They focus on simplicity and the tutorials start from basic level and move all the way up to professional references. People who want to refer just documents and not watching the entire videos, W3 Schools is the best option. The second is FreeCodeCam. This website is considered one of the best resources to learn web development. There are over 7,000 tutorials along with loads of challenges to complete along the way to test your skills and check on what you have learned and where you can improve. The best part about this site is that it's absolutely free. The next is 100 Days CSS. This website helps you in challenging yourself and becoming a CSS expert in just 100 days. There will be a new challenge given to you every day and you have to create that or something similar using the same concepts as mentioned. The key is to be creative, submit your results timely and also check out what others have created. I have heard this site claims that it can help you in becoming a CSS guru. So what's stopping you? The fourth is Ace Frontend. Ace Frontend has complete and practical coding challenges with a detailed walkthrough of an interview solution for those challenges as well. There are no challenges on any frameworks because the focus is completely on fundamental HTML, JavaScript and CSS. The best way to prepare for an interview is by practicing hands-on. You can still use this platform even though you are not preparing for an interview. Since we are talking about interviews, don't forget to check out my best rated and best selling Udemy courses which are packed with real world interview questions and their best possible solutions. Check out the links in the description for an exclusive offer. The fifth is Frontend Mentor. I can say this website is like a learn, grow and share kind of platform. You have to solve real-world HTML, CSS and JavaScript challenges whilst working to create professional designs. It is a community-based challenges platform, so you have to upload your work and showcase it to the community after you solve the challenge and then interact with others to earn points. Constant participation is the key to becoming good at what you do here. Well, the list is exhaustive with more and more websites gaining popularity each day. The websites that we have mentioned are considered as credible online sources for enhancing front-end skills. Which website do you use the most for reference? Let us know in the comments section.